The song's called Beautiful, and it goes out to the redwood forest. We went there today and it was amazing. They're so wide and amazing. Do you guys go there often? If I lived in San Francisco, I'd go there every day. This one's to the redwood forest. I saw you go. You helped my heart to know how our love has grown. Tears flow. Without you, nothing so. You're so beautiful. Here we go, staring out the window. When the feeling's home, so our love follows. You're so beautiful, beautiful. You're so beautiful.